Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to change your US mobile plan. It's very easy and simple to change it. First, all you need to do is sign in to your account, okay? And you can do this through the account dashboard where you go and click on My Lines. Then you'll see the lines you have. You just click on the line you want to change the plan for, and then click on Change Plan under Line Management. Okay? And then choose from one of the available plans, and you can keep auto pay feature. You can toggle that one on if you want to do that, and then click on a Change Plan now. And your new plan will basically go into effect once the new billing cycle starts. And AutoPay will basically charge you 2 days before your renewal date to make sure everything goes smoothly. Okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.